Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add a user to your Stripe account from your smartphone. Stripe is an online payment processing and credit card processing platform for businesses. It's a very simple process and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred browser. I will open my Google Chrome. Now tap on the search bar and type in Stripe login. Now go to its official website and simply log into your accounts. And once you are on your main dashboard, you're going to go to the settings. Now here you can see the team and security sections. Tap on it. Here you can see the option to add a new member over here. So tap on new member. From here, you can choose what level of access you want to give. So there are several options of administrator, admin, developer, analyst. You can read through the permissions over here and choose accordingly as per your requirements. So for now, I'll choose administrator, for example. And over here, add their email address. After that, you can choose send invites. So it'll send invite to their email address. And that's it. It's a very simple process. So you've successfully added a user to your Stripe account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.